so much for nature sounds. I completely. I completely forgot there was a gun range. I completely forgot there was a gun range. What the heck? This ain't nature. This is not nature. This ain't nature. This is chaos. Fuck that shit. I completely forgot there was a gun range. Moved out completely into my own place. That was absolute chaos. Turn this back on. That was absolute bullshit. I'm not kidding. I was like literally laying down. I just got done recording that one video, or this video, and I guarantee you, I was like, I laid back. I was like, and then fuck that shit. Hey, what about toy, my motherfucker? I mean, you see this stuff in like, or I see the crap happening in the world and online, right? I see what's going on online, all the drama and the fights versus leftist and rightist, and then I hear that shit and it's like, oh fuck. But it's like, no, it's a gun range. It's like, what's the difference?